Charles here, and thank you for coming back to another video on my channel, Charles Finney Tips. Today we're going to talk about how to make money online for free, because I know with this, that word you can't say on YouTube right now because it's like the plague right now. But with that going on, I know it's a lot of people that are home. Some people may have lost their jobs, and I'm fortunate to be still working. But I want to show you a way while you're sitting home that you can earn some money, and while you're at home, and it's something that you can do totally for free with your smartphone. So basically, it's an app called Feature Points. And what Feature Points is an app that you can do surveys. They got different games, different services that they're partnered up with these other companies, and all you have to do is do whatever the task is, or whatever the game. You got to get to a certain level, and you'll get points. And by building these points, you can trade it in for either Bitcoin or PayPal. And depending on how many points you build, it goes from $5, and it used to be 1,000. Now it's up to 500. And all you have to do is build points. But if you really want to maximize this, you have a referral link. That's why you see that I have a one-page website and a $50 a month budget and a YouTube channel. But if you want to do it the free way, you can go to Wix, and you can build a free website. Basically, what the free website, what you would want to do, you want to build a website, and you want to do a YouTube video and do like a review on Feature Points and put that on the website. And when you put the video on there, make sure the video automatically, as soon as somebody comes on the site, it automatically plays. And that's where the $50, that's why I put a $50 a month budget, because you could go to I used to say Facebook, but Facebook is only favoring the Fortune 500 companies as far as advertising. They don't really care about the little guys anymore. So we would go to Google Ads, and we would do a $5 a day budget. But depending on how you set your ad up, you can run your ad just off of $50 a month. So, and then as the people would see, and what you would be trying to be seen for is how to make money online for free. And people like this word right here, free stuff. So people would sign up, and if they're really serious, they'll go out and they'll do the task, and you'll get points off of the task that they do, and it'll help you get higher points so you can get to the bigger money. So, but that's basically it for this video. This is just something that you could do to make some money while you're not working, or until you can find something. But this is a way you can make money. And really why I say go here is because eventually you're going to want to do this. You want to start one of these. And you want to start an LLC. This is what this is going to get you. And where I live in Maryland. That was an ugly imp, but I live in Maryland, and it's $100 to start an LLC. And then, because basically this will help you get money to start your LLC. And then after you start your LLC, then you're going to want to build your business credit. And now business credit is a little different. So I'm gonna put out a video to show you the old way versus the new way of how everything is operating now, because it's a lot of changes in personal credit and the business credit. So I hope you like this video. What I want you to do to please the YouTube algorithm, I want you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I want you to at least watch 3 to 5 minutes of this video or anybody else's video on YouTube to please the YouTube algorithm. Because if you don't, and you subscribe to my channel and you don't watch at least 3 to 5 minutes of the video, they will come and do a sweep, and you will be unsubscribed to my channel. So like and subscribe, watch 3 to 5 minutes of the video, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.